the previous video, we learned how a shadow is formed by a point source of light and an extended source of light. We also performed experiments to understand the shadows in a better way. Here, we will see the effects of the size of the object and the distance between the object and the screen on the shadow formation. To understand this in a better way, let's perform an activity. We will place a ball that is bigger than the extended source of light, such as a candle. We will keep the ball near the candle. The distance between the candle and the ball is kept constant. Install the screen away from the ball. Now, keep on moving the screen away from the ball. What do we observe? We observe that the sizes of the umbra and the penumbra become bigger and bigger. In simple words, when the opaque object is bigger than the extended source of light, then as the distance between the object and the screen increases, the size of the shadows formed also increases. Wasn't this simple? Now moving ahead, can you tell me what will happen if the opaque object is smaller than the extended source of light? Again, the two parts of the shadow, that is the umbra and the penumbra, are formed. We will keep on moving the screen away from the opaque object. Then what do we observe? We observe that the size of the umbra decreases as compared to the penumbra. In simple words, when the opaque object is smaller than the extended source of light and the distance between the object and the screen increases, then the size of the umbra decreases. Now, what would happen if the screen is moved further away? Correct. At a certain point, the umbra disappears. Interesting, isn't it? Now, moving ahead, let's learn about a fascinating concept known as zero shadow day. As the name suggests, no shadows will be seen on this day. By definition, the day on which the sun exactly reaches overhead is called zero shadow day. In other words, when the sun reaches exactly overhead, it means that the sun rays will fall exactly vertical to the objects on the ground. Hence, no shadows will be formed. But when and where does this event occur? This event occurs only during summer and in the particular region of the Earth. It's observed in the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It occurs on different days and at different places in this region. Here, we've studied how the change in the size of the opaque object and the distance between the object and the screen affect the size of the shadow. Did you know that due to shadowing, a beautiful natural phenomenon like eclipse takes place? But what is an eclipse? How does it take place? And what are the different types of eclipse? Curious to know? Do watch our upcoming videos to find out. Until then, do subscribe to our channel.